Daily routine household chores sentences. I am making the bed. I am making the bed. I am changing the bed sheet. I am changing the bed sheet. I am changing the pillow cover. I am changing the pillow cover. I am washing the dishes. I am washing the dishes. I am drying the dishes. I am drying the dishes. I am setting the table. I am setting the table. I am cooking the dinner. I am cooking the dinner. I am cleaning the table. I am cleaning the table. I am wiping the counter. I am wiping the counter. I am sweeping the floor. I am sweeping the floor. I am vacuuming the carpet. I am vacuuming the carpet. I am mopping the floor. I am mopping the floor. I am dusting the furniture. I am dusting the furniture. I am cleaning the window. I am cleaning the window. I am brewing the coffee. I am brewing the coffee. I am helping with meal prep. I am helping with meal prep. I am doing the laundry. I am doing the laundry. I am hanging out the clothes. I am hanging out the clothes. I am ironing the clothes. I am ironing the clothes. I am folding the clothes. I am folding the clothes. I am organizing the closet. I am organizing the closet. I am chopping the vegetables. I am chopping the vegetables. I am cleaning the bathroom sink. I am cleaning the bathroom sink. I am cleaning the oven. I am cleaning the oven. I am baking the cake. I am baking the cake. I am painting the wall. I am painting the wall. I am decorating the house. I am decorating the house. I am feeding the pets. I am feeding the pets. I am mowing the lawn. I am mowing the lawn. I am sorting and recycle. I am sorting and recycle. I am unpacking the groceries. I am unpacking the groceries. I am grilling the steak. I am grilling the steak. I am taking out the trash. I am taking out the trash. I am watering the plants. I am watering the plants. I am keeping the things in fridge. I am keeping the things in fridge. I am chopping the wood. I am chopping the woods. I am setting up the shelves. I am setting up the shelves. I am scrubbing the floor. I am scrubbing the floor. I am dressing up my baby. I am dressing my baby. Welcome Kids Open Window channel. Do like and subscribe.